Alan from AliExpress contacted me to test out his gas struts for trunk and bonnet. The trunk video should be out by now, but I ran here into a small problem. The product is very good, but there is one thing what must be corrected, and I will show it in a second. That's the bolt. So this is the bolt. It's a special one with a ball side here, and this one should be tightened into your bonnet. In my case, this doesn't fit well, it just falls in there, and this will never work if we don't correct this. Let me show you. We have here our plastic plug, which must be removed to be able to install your gas strut. Like so. And now we should replace this with this bolt. Problem is, it's just not holding in there. This will never work. Solution. Luckily, we have friends from Meanwhile in Garage. By the way, check their channel. It will be somewhere here, the link. And these guys have very interesting projects they do. It's something worth checking. I'm gonna go there, and I will hope that they will have time for me to adjust this bolt and maybe to finish this video today. So I'll see you there in a minute. So we are here. I really hope they will have time for us to help with that stupid bolt.
Hey!
There you are!
How are you?
How are you doing?
Welcome.
I need your help. I'm stuck. And what are you doing here?
You see this car?
Okay.
It's actually a two-wheel car.
I see here a Batmobile, but okay. And
Let's be Batmobile.
okay. Let's call it Batmobile Mark II.
Okay.
So as I can see, you're really busy with your new project here.
Yeah.
What would be the idea?
Like this.
Is this supposed to be driven?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you stop, comes trailing wheels out. Deployed. And it's a one-seat car.
That's very beautiful. So, if you guys want to see how this will drive on the road, don't forget to subscribe to this brilliant channel, this brilliant man, Meanwhile Garage, and the link will be somewhere there.
No. He is brilliant, not me.
Okay. Now I'm going to disturb him for my problem.
Show me.
So tell us, what's your problem, bro?
So,
What's the issue?
problem is the bolt what Alan sent me falls through the hole where it's supposed to be tightened, and because of that I can't place my gas strut, and it's not going to work unless you help the situation. And that's the place.
I know how to place it.
Okay.
I got some idea. So we're gonna place this rivet right in the hole. This too. This. Like this.
Like that.
Okay. Now we're gonna place same here. And this all? Okay.
So we have two options here, higher and lower. I don't know which one is for us. We're going to try them both and see which one is best. Let's put this like this, just to try. So let's see. By the way, this is here some clicking system. It's just clicks in. You don't need to do anything else. So how does this work? It has here a small pin right there. You need to press it through like this and click. Now it's not going anywhere. And this one here, you just turn as you need. And you'll have to push it in, or we need to switch our position. This is the moment I'm talking about. Let's try the second position. So let's try the other position, but anyway, I will have to press it on, and that's not easy thing to do.
Let me help you, bro.
Yes, help me.
Wait.
Okay. There you go.
Here we are.
This is one. Now let's do the other side.
Okay.
All right, let's fasten our nut here. Yes, no. There you have it. Now the moment of truth will disclose.
Let's check it out, man.
Okay, let's go.
Come on.
Okay, now let's open it. I think maybe you stay away. It can pull up.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep. I must say, Alan, this works very good. So, if anyone is interested for this product, I will put the link below, and you can visit our guy there. Very good thing. I like that. Approved.
Link below in description. Thanks, guys.